guys, today I'm gonna open this, and it's called Cookies Makery Yumz. 2 surprises inside. Woohoo! So here are the instructions. Hey, instructions! Okay, here are the instructions. It comes with step 1, open this cute little head part. And you should get these 2 items. You're going to use this for later. And what you're going to do is take this top part, okay? And then open this little pack. It should come with 2 things. Ooh, I got a strawberry and a chocolate. It's so cute. And it smells good. Then you put them in there. Then it says to close the lid. And then put this cute little strawberry key in the hole. And then see this little thing right there? Turn it. Whoa, it turned! And then when you open it, it should pop out a magical little thing. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Let's see what I got. Hello! Let's see. Ooh, it comes with a collector's guide. Nice. Let's see what I got. Okay, so it's, ooh, chalk spot donation and cow, chalkberry cow. Yummy. There's one more step. Decorate it with the stickers we got in this little thing. Ooh, stickers. I'm gonna close it because it's cute. And I'm gonna decorate this thing. Kidding. You can decorate your own too. Here's the little secret mechanism. What you do is to see this mechanism is turn it and then look, it's all there all along. It's cool. And then you could just like push it and close it like nothing ever happened. And then you could put everything you got back in this little bottom thing. And then untwist it out, and look, it's like, I did it wrong, my bad. Most of the time, it's like nothing ever happened. You could put your little seeds in the slot, like it's made for. And you could close the slot and put the cherry in there, too. And close the cap. And it looks like nothing ever happened. Don't worry, I'm not looking at it. Bye!